Pilipinas! Oh my gosh, naka-white siya! Oh my God! Ilaban mo, Atisa! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Si Philippines na! Nakikita ko na siya! Ayun na! Oh, may cape siya! Ala, nagbusod nga siya! Nagbusod! Oh my God! Ay, ang ganda ba yet? Pak! Ganun!
Philippines!
Top 5, my gosh! Ilalaban mo yan, Atisa, ha? Ilaban mo yan, Bayet! Oh my God, guys, 4 runner-up si Cote d'Ivoire. Ang ganda ng sagot niya. Oh my gosh, Philippines na to, te!
Philippines.
Ha? Really? Oh my gosh, totoo ba? 3rd runner-up lang? My God! Ganda ng sagot niya, te! My gosh, feel ko baliktad! O, tanggap ko pa kung baliktad is Cote d'Ivoire, tapos Philippines, tapos Venezuela, tapos Thailand, Mexico. So, hi guys, I'm Andrew and welcome back to my channel. So, ngayon guys is, oh my gosh, Miss Universe ngayon guys is nakakaloka, te! Anong oras na? Kakagising ko lang, 10:05 na, ayan o, Atisa pa yung background, yung wallpaper ko. So, 10 na guys, nalulat ako, nag-alarm ako ng 8:30, nagising ako ng 9:50, naabutan ko. Ano na, swimsuit na, te. Buti na lang pasok si Atisa sa SUP 30. Naloloka talaga ako, te. Tigan, pinuot ko pa yung damit ko. Pilipinas. Tapos nakarinig ko, nireplay ko kasi ang intro ni Atisa. Pilipinas! Oh my gosh, like pasabog pang malakasan. And good news, dahil pasok siya sa top 30. So, inaantay ko na lang siya mag-swimsuit. Like, oh my gosh! Pinag-pray ko si Atisa, guys, kagabi. Like, alam kong kaya niya talaga yon na ibalik ang corona sa Pilipinas talaga naman talaga. So, waiting ko na lang siya mag-swimsuit talaga. Like, oh my gosh. Pasok siya sa top 30 eh. Oh my gosh, top. Ayan na, N na. Wala, tapos na ata. Ay, hindi, Palestine pa lang. Oh my gosh! Pilipinas! Nantay ko siya mag-ano. Ayun na, Paraguay na. Dito pasok Peru eh. Pasok ba Peru? I don't know. Oh my gosh, internet. Tsaka. Philippines, oh my gosh. Lalagay ko na lang dito guys yung video. Oh my gosh. Wala bandi sa Paraguay. Top 30, then down to 12 daw ata. Oh my gosh! Wait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, naka-white siya!
Philippines!
Oh my God! Ilaban mo, Atisa! Oh my God! Yes naman, naka-white. Ay, ang ganda, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Look at that, the walk, the confident. Ay, ang ganda, ti. Oh! Oh my gosh. Sige. Fuck. Oh, the face! Oh my God! Ang ganda ng performance ni Atisa. It's so nice. Like, oh my gosh. The best. Oh my gosh. For me, Kabog, pang malakasan. Ang ganda. Pasok siya agad top 12. Para makapag ano na siya, long gown, then chemerit, ano bang kaganapan nila here. Oh my God! Natutuwa ako sa performance ni Ate. Simula preliminary pa lang. Simula ano pa lang. Simula national pa lang. Kabog na talaga, Ate. Oh my gosh! I'm so very excited for Atisa's performance ng long gown and Q&A. Alam ko ilalaban talaga ni Atisa ang Pilipinas. Hindi. Oh my gosh. My gosh! Medyo masakit yung throat ko today. I have a fisherman here. Sinabi-mention nila. Si Arbony may half kasi siya. Dayanara Torre, love na love ng Pilipinas. Perfect. Ano kayang feel ko magta top 12 ata top 12. O, top 12 nga, nangalahati bigla, bayet. So, ayan guys. Top 12 na, oh my gosh, pero wala pa doon sa kanya yung announcement. Ay, palaban. Oh my gosh, please Lord. Ang ating ulo ko, die. So, waiting for the, ayun na. Top 12 na. Oh my God! Top 12, top 12. Top 12, guys. Chile, Chile.
Please take the stage. Philippines!
Oh my God! Pasok tayo, girl!
Growing up in a small town with big dreams taught me responsibility and gave me the grit to pursue what I want in life. From a young age of 10, I started doing pageants to provide education for myself, for my brother, and for my sister, and help provide for my family. So I really hope that my story is a symbol of hope for everyone to hear that it doesn't matter your life circumstances, you can achieve anything as long as you put your mind, your heart, and your soul in it.
Pasok! Pasok tayo, girls! Pasok! Pasok! Boga na yun. Carry na yun siya. Oh my gosh! Sumabay siya, ha? Sumabay siya, talaga. OMG guys, evening gown na nila, like oh my God, so very excited. Nakatakot si Guadalupe, oh my God. Ano kayo hair ni Atisa, sana nakapusod siya. Or yung curl. Oh my God, ayan na, next na P. Oh my God. Ano kayang, ay ganda rin ng gown ni China, oh. May pakip siya bayet. Oh my gosh, Philippines, ano kayo suot niya? Oh my gosh, Philippines na! Nakikita ko na siya! Ayan na! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Oh, may cape siya! Ala, nagpusod nga siya! Nagpusod! Oh my God! Ay, ang ganda bayet! Oh my gosh! Ang ganda! Parang siyang hinahangin. Ay, atake ang face! Atake! Oh my God! The gown! Pak! Ganon! Ganon na matake, bayet! Ano kayong gawin ni Thailand? Ay, hindi ko bet ang gawin ni Thailand. So, ayun guys, ang ganda ng gown ni Atisa. It's very malinis, the pusod, the flowy. It's nice. Oh my gosh. Next na ata dito, top 5. Oh my god, top 5 na! Oh my god, top 5 na din! Pasok niya siya. Pasok niya si Atisa. Oh my god! Top 5 na dit. Swerte ka dit eh. Ito si Mimi. Oh my gosh, top 5! Wow! Thailand! Papasok talaga nila yan, T. Ay, hindi ka maglalag for today's video. Ay, iinis ako. Oh my gosh! Ah! Top 5, my gosh! Ilalaban mo yan, Atisa, ha? Ilaban mo yan, Bayet! Yan na, kudaan na, girl! Oh my god! Top 5! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! After ilang taon, guys, nakapasok na tayo ng top 5. Oh my gosh, alam ko ilalaban ni Atisa yan. Like, oh my gosh. So, ayun guys, sinutusan na kaya bumili ng ulam. Oh my god! May paganyan sila. Pa. Wow! Pag ganun, natakainitin ko nga. Ayan! Ilalaban niya yan talaga naman kasi. Pak! Ay, ganun. Ganyan!
Next up, please, Miss Philippines, would you step forward and please choose a question? Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you very much. You have chosen Judge 7, Minnie Eloyi.
Hi, Miss Philippine. How are you feeling?
Really good, excited.
My question for you today is, as a global ambassador or citizen, what will be your contribution to humanity?
Now, I want to be the hope of people. I come from a very poor background. I started pageants at 10 years old to put myself through school and to lift my family out of poverty. And if there's anything that I want to show the universe, I'm here right now. I'm standing as Miss Universe because I was able to get myself out of any situation because I was hardworking, I was persistent, and I fight for what I want. Thank you.
Ganun! I fight for what I want.
Gentlemen, Miss Philippines.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you very much, Miss.
Oh, so guys, merong final question na top 5. So, wala ng top 3. Isang question na lang sila. Isang question. So, what's the question? Oh my God. Nakaano na sila? Headphone. Oh my God! Ayan na! Ayan na!
For your final question.
Oh my gosh, final question, Philippines!
And congratulations, Miss Philippines. If you win the title of Miss Universe tonight, how would you use this platform to empower young girls?
I work with an organization called Alon Academy, where we work with young people, to provide them opportunities, to make them realize that it doesn't matter what your life circumstances is, it doesn't define where you will go. And I want to continue working with Alan Academy in a bigger platform like Miss Universe to pursue making sure that people who come from low-income backgrounds are given the same opportunities as everyone else. Thank you.
My God!
Thank you very much. Miss Philippines,
Ang
everybody.
ganda! From the heart!
Thank you.
Grabe ang atake niya today! My God! Iba, iba, iba! Philippines, kabog, kabogera. Oh my gosh, 4th runner-up agad! Wow! Kata po, ang ganda naman ang sagot niya, Ti! Ala, Philippines na ito ba yan? Oh my God! Oh my God, guys, 4th runner-up si Cote d'Ivoire. Ang ganda ng sagot niya. Oh my gosh, Philippines na to, Ti!
The 3rd runner-up is...
Oh my God. Mexico.
Philippines.
Ha? Really? Oh my gosh, totoo ba? 3rd runner-up lang? My God! Ganda ng sagot niya, Ti! My God, totoo ba? Sino man nanalo? Si Thailand? Kabog! Kabog! Sino man nanalo? Thailand? Sarili niyang bansa? Thailand? Nyay! Kabog! Totoo ba to? Nangyayari? Mexico talaga? Pero si Thailand? My gosh, feel ko baliktad. O, tanggap ko pa kung baliktad is Cote d'Ivoire, tapos Philippines, tapos Venezuela, tapos Thailand, Mexico. My God! Nakakaloka, te! Pero we need to be thankful and grateful. Top 5 at Tisa Manalo, 3rd runner-up for Miss Universe. So, thank you, Atisa, for the performance, for representing Philippines. Grabe, hindi na performance. It's giving. Palabog. Congratulations, Atisa Manalo. I love you so much.